Ken Griffin is an American billionaire and hedge fund manager. With his impressive track record and keen business acumen, Griffin has amassed an extraordinary net worth. Griffin has established himself as a prominent figure in the financial industry. As the founder and CEO of Citadel, a multinational investment corporation, he is a financial powerhouse. Griffin's skills and smart investments have made him wealthy. He made his money in finance by recognizing attractive possibilities and making smart investments. So how much is Ken Griffin net worth? Let's dive into Ken Griffin's remarkable story and the causes that led to his enormous net worth. What is Ken Griffin's net worth and salary in 2023? As of April 2023, Ken Griffin is thought to be the 38th richest person in the world with a net worth of $35 billion. He started Citadel LLC, is its CEO, co-chief financial officer, and owns 80% of the investment firms. Institutional Investor's 22nd Annual Rich List says Griffin had a record-breaking year in 2022. He made $4.1 billion, the most a hedge fund manager has ever made in a year. In 2022, Citadel's top multi-strategy Wellington Fund earned 38.1%, which greatly helped Griffin's wealth. Ken Griffin's overview. Why is Ken Griffin famous? Early life. Ken Griffin was born on October 15, 1968, in Daytona Beach, Florida. Even when he was young, he was very interested in math and money. In Boca Raton, Florida, where he grew up, he went to Boca Raton Community High School, where he was head of the math club. Griffin ran a discount mail-order education software firm called EDCOM from his bedroom during high school. In 1986, he enrolled at Harvard College, where his passion for finance truly blossomed. As a freshman, he started investing and created a convertible arbitrage approach that would define his trading philosophy. Despite Harvard's ban on establishing enterprises on campus, Griffin convinced administrators to let him put a satellite dish on his dormitory roof to collect real-time stock quotes. Career. Ken Griffin, a young man with a lot of ability, got his start in finance at the age of 19. In 1987, he started his first hedge fund in his Harvard dorm room with money from his grandma, friends, and other people he knew. Griffin's love of math and finance led him to come up with a plan called convertible arbitrage, which he used to make a 70% return in just 1 year. This remarkable achievement caught the attention of Frank C. Meyer, founder of Glenwood Capital, who entrusted Griffin with $1 million to manage. Griffin started Citadel LLC in 1990. Since then, it has grown to become one of the biggest hedge funds in the world, managing about $13 billion. Griffin's persistence and focus on quantitative investment approaches have helped him earn over $28 billion in earnings for his clients with an average yearly return of 20%. Meme stock controversy. Ken Griffin, the CEO of Citadel, found himself at the center of the meme stock controversy in 2021. This phenomenon emerged during the COVID-19 pandemic when retail investors, fueled by social media platforms like Reddit, began driving up the prices of struggling companies such as GameStop, AMC Entertainment, Bed Bath & Beyond. These stocks, dubbed meme stocks, gained viral popularity and resulted in short squeezes that caused significant losses for some hedge funds. Citadel, a prominent financial services company, was implicated in the scandal due to its payment for order flow relationship with commission-free broker Robinhood, which was heavily used by retail investors participating in the meme stock frenzy. Art collection. Griffin's collection now includes Willem de Kooning's Interchange, which he bought for $300 million, and Jackson Pollock's No. 17A. Works by Cézanne, Jasper Johns, Jean-Michel Basquiat, and Barnett Newman are also important purchases. Griffin's choice to give many of these pieces to the Art Institute of Chicago for several years shows how much he wants to share his art collection with the public. Some of his most prized works have recently moved to the Norton Museum in Palm Beach, Florida, where they continue to inspire and amaze tourists. Philanthropy. Griffin has given away close to $2 billion through his charitable work. He has worked on giving people chances and opening doors in areas like education, the arts, healthcare, reducing crime. In 2020, Griffin helped more than 400,000 low-income kids in Chicago and Miami get free high-speed broadband access. This showed that he was committed to making the internet more affordable and helping educational projects. As a recipient of Philanthropy Roundtable's 2022 Simon DeVos Prize for Philanthropic Leadership, Ken Griffin continues to inspire others with his trailblazing and high-impact philanthropic efforts. Homes. Griffin has homes and businesses worth at least $1.3 billion in South Florida, New York, Chicago, London, and other great places. One of his most famous purchases was an apartment in New York City for $238 million. This was the most expensive home ever sold in the United States. Griffin paid $106.9 million for Adrienne Arst's waterfront home in Miami, making it the most expensive home sale in the history of Miami-Dade County. Across the pond, he acquired a lavish £410 million estate at 3 Carlton Gardens in London. Griffin's huge real estate portfolio shows that he likes to buy luxury homes that break records. This shows how rich and powerful he is in the financial world. Personal life. Griffin has been married twice. He met his second wife, Anne Diaz-Griffin, a French-born Harvard Business School graduate, on a blind date arranged by a mutual friend. The couple married in July 2003 and had 3 children together. Griffin is the founder and CEO of Citadel LLC, which is a very successful company. He is also a very generous and has given millions of dollars to many social causes, political campaigns, and educational institutions, including his alma mater, Harvard University. FAQs about Ken Griffin. How is Ken Griffin so rich? The bulk of Griffin's fortune comes from managing Citadel Advisors, the hedge fund firm he founded in 1990. It had $59 billion in assets under management as of December 2022. How much money did Ken Griffin start with? Griffin founded Citadel LLC in Chicago on November 1, 1990, with an initial capital of $4.2 million. Who is the richest hedge fund manager? Forbes. Ken Griffin leads. Citadel LLC CEO had the best hedge fund year ever. He's worth $35 billion, $7.8 billion more than last year and roughly triple his 2020 value. Who owns Citadel Firearms? Citadel guns are made by Arms Corporation of the Philippines, Armscor, and Legacy Sports International sells them in the U.S. Armscor is Southeast Asia's oldest and biggest business that makes guns and ammunition. Does Ken Griffin have any children? Before they split up in 2014, he and Anne Diaz-Griffin had 3 children together. The Daily Mail said that he and his second wife had been living apart since February 2012. In summary, Ken Griffin has been extremely successful financially, as shown by his net worth. Due to his wise investment choices, he has accumulated vast wealth and is now counted among the wealthiest individuals in the world. Griffin started his journey as a talented young person and worked hard to become a successful entrepreneur. He has shown great ambition, determination, and a strong desire to be the best. Griffin's success is due to Citadel, and he has shown he can handle investing industry changes. Finally, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us to learn more interesting information about celebrities.